Everyone talks about work-life balance. It's a buzzword you hear everywhere, from corporate seminars to self-help books. The idea is that you should perfectly divide your time between work and personal life, achieving a harmonious equilibrium. But let's be honest, life doesn't work that way. The concept of balance often feels like an unattainable dream, something that's always just out of reach. Winners know that balance isn't about dividing your time equally, it's about prioritizing what truly matters. They understand that life is dynamic and ever-changing. Some days your career will demand more of your attention and energy. You might have deadlines to meet, projects to complete, or meetings to attend. Other days it's your family or health that needs your focus. Maybe it's a family dinner, a child's school event, or simply taking time to exercise and recharge. The key is knowing what deserves your energy right now. It's about being present and fully engaged in whatever you're doing at the moment. Stop chasing the illusion of perfect balance and start focusing on what moves the needle in your life. Winners don't balance, they prioritize. They make conscious choices about where to invest their time and energy. Prioritize your life. Subscribe for more practical advice. Stay tuned for tips on how to prioritize effectively and make the most out of every moment.